Welcome to the new one in the series AI in Real World. In the previous videos, we talked about some interesting industries. Industry number 1, healthcare. Industry number 2, education. And industry number 3, e-commerce. In this video, we are dedicatedly going to see some live example of AI implementation in FinTech or financial services. Financial entities are leveraging artificial intelligence development to manage vast amount of data, and that resulting in more precise decision making, predictive analytics, and with AI, many capabilities are added to bank and other financial institutions. Very important, there is a 30% reduction in assessment errors, which is a huge benefit for all the financial institutions. Investment in AI technologies are also climbing a lot, with projections suggesting that spending of AI in FinTech will be exceed by $12 billion by 2026. And 12 billion is a huge number, and you can understand that how much the FinTech industry is getting benefited by AI, that they are spending this amount of money. For instance, take an example of JPMorgan Chase. They have invested heavily in AI and machine learning technologies, and mainly to improve banking services and fraud detection. Citigroup, on the other hand, leverages AI to personalize customer interactions, and that is getting very normal in banking field at the moment, that banking services or mobile application of banking services are very much personalized to the users. And of course, they are also streamlining operations with the use of AI, and thereby, that's definitely enhancing client satisfaction and operational efficiency, of course, for all staff level at every level. Similarly, Goldman Sachs utilize AI for advanced data analytics to drive strategic investment decisions and making financial advising much more easier for them. Because to make any financial or investment decision, there is a lot of data to be analyzed. And what Goldman does is they analyze all this big data and use AI to make very simple decision-making process. Having said so, all these pioneers in finance are heavily using AI to improve processes. And are you a financial institute planning to develop an operational software with AI or a mobile application? Get in touch with us at sales@ibiixo.com and we'll be at your assistance. Now, let's start reviewing all these pioneers one by one. We'll start with JPMorgan. JPMorgan heavily uses AI for both aspects of business, for customer service as well as risk management, which is a very important part. One of the most important initiatives is to use advanced models to predict loan defaults, and you can understand how much important it would be when an AI helps them to reduce down loan defaults. Now, the model helps them to significantly improve the accuracy of credit assessment, and also helps them to reduce the risk in giving away money, giving away loans, and make sure that they don't get defaults or there are no fraud transactions involved in that. Another example with JPMorgan is their Coin platform, which uses NLP to interpret commercial loan agreement, a process which heavily consumes 360,000 hours for them. With AI models, the tasks are almost automated. And apart from that, JPMorgan invests in AI to detect patterns of fraud. That is very important. Small frauds to larger frauds. When AI is at help, they enhance the security across all the transactions, and their algorithm can identify unusual activities very real time. And that eliminates the process of getting certain things done, then identifying fraud, and then getting back to cure it. When an AI algorithm basically identifies the fraud real time, they can prevent the fraud from happening rather than cure. They are basically eliminating the chance of having any fraud transactions or any fraudulent transactions happening overall in the whole platform. Now, these are very few examples of JPMorgan. They have implemented various ways in which AI is assisting them for the ease of operations and for customer satisfactions as well. Now, let's move towards the new group, that is the Citigroup. Like JPMorgan, Citigroup has used AI for both customer satisfaction as well as operational success. They have largely invested in two areas: real-time fraud detection as well as customer interaction. Citigroup not just have best chatbots, but they also have predictive analysis to provide personalized banking service and product recommendations. Now, you might have always experienced in a Citibank application or mobile website, right? That if you are using it and your friend is using it, you will see different dashboard for each one of you. And the only reason why they are able to do is by studying your pattern and submitting the data to an AI model to suggest you something which is very much more personalized for you. And of course, the personalized banking helps them to increase customer satisfaction and retention to a very, very huge level. What do you think? Like, what is the best feature of Citibank you feel that has been powered by AI? Comment down in the section and so that we can discuss very much in detail about that particular feature. Now, let's move towards Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs analyzes large database which helps them to make faster and better trading decisions. And why not? Because they have so much of data in their place which is not been used from years, right? Now when they are implementing the same data in AI, that's basically helping them to make very faster and accurate trading decisions, and that's their job. Now try to understand. Their full-time job is to analyze data and make trading decisions. And when an AI algorithm does that for them, that reduces a lot of work. And this absolutely helps them to reduce risk and increase profitability without any doubt. What do you think about that? Have you ever tried any AI algorithm to make trading decisions for you? If yes, write down the name of the platform you have used in the comment section and we'll make a dedicated video talking about how AI can help you, not in large institutions like Goldman Sachs, to make better trading decisions and make easy money. Now, Goldman Sachs use machine learning to real-time predict market trends, which helps them to stay ahead of making profitable financial decisions. Right now there might be millions of transactions happening on the market every single second, every single minute. And when AI is live, and it's been at a live assistance, that's a huge power. It's like more than 1,000 people working behind you for you to make smarter decisions. And apart from that, Goldman Sachs has developed AI-powered platform that automate aspects of financial operations. Like, take an example, compliance check, like transaction processing, everything that's happening with the power of AI. The automation leads to significant cost saving and allows human employees to focus more on strategic tasks, thus optimizing overall operational efficiency. That's very easy with AI, Now we have talked about all these three big brands. Now let's focus on what are the current trends happening, like we have discussed in all the other videos of the series. We'll discuss what all the things can be achieved with AI in your financial institutes. And just make sure, if you're looking to develop one or implement AI in your business, or you want to make any financial applications, you can definitely get in touch with us at Ibiixo.com, and our email is sales@Ibiixo.com. Now let's move towards the things you can do with AI in your financial institutes. First one, increased automation in financial services. That's a header overall, Now the second one, enhanced personalization for every user. Third one, which is very important for you, robust risk management and compliance. Fourth one, fraud detection. Fifth one, integration of AI with blockchain to avoid any fraudulent transactions and to make sure that the system is jam-packed with powerful assets, right? And the sixth one, AI-powered financial advisory services. Now this is very important. So if you are in financial institute, if you are using AI-powered financial advisory, that will reduce your work by at least 80% and suggest something really good to your clients with minor things in place. For the research, you might need around a week of time. That can easily be achieved within 20 minutes of time on a really good AI model. So develop one for your financial services. And if you find this video interesting, make sure you comment something, you comment about how you like the video, you comment about what you want next to be in the video, and we'll definitely create a new one for you. Make sure, in case you're looking for any web mobile development with AI, without AI, get in touch with us at sales@ibiixo.com. And we have a very interesting blog about the whole topic, much more detailed than this video. You can find the link in the description. Stay tuned, stay safe. Signing off from Ibiixo Studios, Deep Karya.